Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 every single day doing this very simple strategy. All you need to do is just copy and paste. Okay, so let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important and you are really very eager to make some money online. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go and sign up for this affiliate network, which is known as Digistore 24. Okay, so this is a great network and it accepts affiliate from all over the world. So this is worldwide. Okay, anyone from anywhere in the world can get accepted in this network. All you need to go do is go to this website, which is called Digistore 24, and sign up. Okay, don't just waste any of your time. Pause this video and just sign up for Digistore 24, because I know it is really very important. You can earn money only and only if you are going to take action. Once you go to Digistore, just go to marketplace over here, and then we are going to promote a product which I am going to show you. Okay, so it is really easy and really awesome product, okay, which you can promote in a very easy manner. Okay, so it is loaded, and just go to this category, which is fitness and health. Okay, I'm gonna promote a fitness product, but this product is really easy to promote, and that's the reason why I'm showing this product, because anyone, absolutely anyone can do this. Even a beginner can promote this product really very easily. Okay, so here let's go downwards. So this is the product, okay, the Essential Keto Egg Cookbook. Okay, and this product is absolutely free. All you need to do is give away this product. Okay, and the product only charges the shipping charges. Okay, the shipping charges of the product are $11.68. Okay, so you just have to give away this product and you are going to make money out of shipping charges. Okay, so this is really something really good and awesome product which you can promote, because you don't need to do any of the selling. All you are doing is giving away the product and making money out of the shipping charges. So this is really interesting. Now what you have to do is go to this website Digistore 24, get the link of this product. So here you can get the link of this affiliate product. Okay, and you can start promoting those links. Now I'm gonna show you 3 places where you can promote this link and really start making some ton of money. Okay, so the first place where you can just promote this affiliate product is Quora. Okay, just go to Quora and search for the topic ketogenic diet. Okay, and you can find all these questions. Just press here on the answer and you can answer all these questions. Okay, and just provide your affiliate link. Okay, so you can also answer all these questions. Many of you may have been knowing that how to write answers on Quora using this method, so I'm gonna show you. All you need to do is just press here. Okay, just type the answer, whatever the answer is. Just type something like ideal way to gain weight. For example, I have typed something, and at the end of the answer you have to type this: I am giving away a free keto ebook, free keto diet book, and that's it. You are ready to go. Okay, all you need to do is do and then provide your affiliate link over here of this product. Okay, that's the first method. You can answer tons of questions on Quora and start making some money out of it and driving traffic to the offer. The second thing is that you can join many of the keto groups which are there on Facebook and post in these groups, as you are giving away a free product, so people would be more interested in your product. So you can give away your product on all by joining all these groups and just post that I am giving away a free book regarding keto diet. Okay, so you can see that there are so many members in this group, and you can really start driving traffic to this offer with this Facebook groups. And the third method which you can utilize is Pinterest. You can see this is my one of the Pinterest account. I am not been active, but still there are 402 impressions on this account. All I did was I just posted this small video about food on this account. What you can do is you can just post videos about food. Don't just post Pinterest graphics, because they get a very less engagement, but this type of videos get a very big or nice engagement. So just post this kind of videos and just promote your link utilizing Pinterest. Okay, so this is also in one of my video I have shown how to use Pinterest. Okay, so you can just check out that video, and you can how you can promote this product using Pinterest. You can just see all that stuff. So these are the three methods which you can utilize and really start making money on Digistore 24. Even if you get even if you get 5 sales a day, you are going to make almost 25 to $30 every single day using this method. I am being practical with you. It's not that you are going to make $100 a day in the beginning, but if you really do consistent work and take consistent action, then you are definitely going to earn every $100 every single day using this method, because you are just giving away a free keto ebook. So this is really something which is really good. People are very interested and very attracted to free stuff. So this is really a very good product for you to promote in 2020. So if you like my video, if you like my content, I suggest you should check out other videos on my channel, which will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online business. Now we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.